Here is the outlook of this TV. So that is a Redmi 50-inch Android 4K TV. So you can see the picture quality is very awesome, right? So let's explore about this particular TV and let's unbox and we'll discuss lots of things. So watch this video till end. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we'll unbox Redmi Smart TV that is 50-inch and it's a 4K Ultra HD Android TV. So this TV is powered by Xiaomi and actually made by Indian company that is Dixon Technology. So this is the box. I got it 2 days back from Amazon, but after waiting 2 days no installation service person came, then finally I opened this box. So you can see this box is right now empty. So already I opened this video, so let me show you how it looks like that video, and definitely I'll show you the picture qualities and others details. So watch this video till end. So you can see this is the 50-inch TV size. So let me open this one. So this is a 55-inch TV, so total, and they have given a kind of a stand. So I am trying to fix that stand. So they have given two stand. You can see here two stand. Apart from that, they have given one smart remote system and one they have given that is spot. Okay, so let me fix that TV quickly. So after that I'll show you the picture quality and also I'll let you know that what is the functionality they have given. Hello guys, so what they have given, you can see that one power station Scott. So finally I have to plug it and one remote, but I am completely disappointed they didn't give any batteries. Okay, so this is my Sony TV's batteries. So I just taken from there in order to open this one, and they have given only one installations manual and they don't have any service kind of a book and any other guide, only one page. So this is something horrible. And now coming to that stand quality, as of now stand quality is not good because it's a very low price quality. I had bought Sony, but that was kind of a metal kind of combinations, but it is completely normal fiber stand, so anytime it can be break, so it seems. And now after that we'll on this TV and we'll show you the other switches. Okay guys, finally we have actually find out the AC power point and then we plug in. So you can see that there is a two USB, there is a one and there is another. So all the 2.0 and 3 HDMI port, and that lower portions, these areas, so there is a output audio jack and also there is a Ethernet cable jack and also there is a some fiber optical cable, and also you can plug in that your normal cable TV lines. And now in these areas you can see, so you can do the wall mount. So for 55-inch I mean more than 50-inch, so they will charge a 500 rupees for wall mount that stand, but for 32-inch they will charge only 399 rupees. And now this is the PowerPoint area. So and be careful because this is not a kind of a handy locations and they didn't mention anything related to AC point. So finally after trying to search 5 minutes, then I found, okay, so this is the PowerPoint area. So this is the overall looks from the back side, and let me show the side screen of this TV. So this is so thin, but back side is little bit, you can see like a wide, and this is the front areas and overall surface of this TVs. Guys, finally this TV has been on after trying long effort. So now first time you have to on through that switch. Okay, so there is a downstairs, there is a switch is there, you can understand, and later point of time you have to press the remote button. Remote, there is a button they said, so you have to press it. So I am pressing that one. So now you can see that configuration is going on, and now almost done, right? So now you have to choose your point. So now we are choosing English, United States, then time zone is India. Please wait, it is showing. You can see. So this is the front look of this 55-inch Ultra HD Redmi Android TV. So you can see the edge is so sharp and the TV is very thin, right? So front looks wise it's really awesome. So this is without wall mounting, we have put it in the stand, right? So let me show you from in some distance so you can understand. Let me show you from some distance so you can understand how this looks like. It's a pretty cool, right? Let me play some non-copyright music. Copyright music or background. This is a half background sound. So now let me play with the full sound. So guys, this is the final view of this particular TV. This is a 4K 50-inch Android 11 Redmi TV, right? So you can understand the picture quality is really awesome, because last year I bought a Sony Bravia TV that is also Android, but picture quality is not good what I am seeing in Redmi TV. So really from the picture quality perspective, I can give rate out of 5, it's a 5. And now let me quickly summarize about the fact of this TV. So point number 1, so this is an Android smart TV which is having an Android versions 11, and second thing, is a 50-inch TV which is having a Dolby sound, and third thing, it is having a 2.0 2 USB port and also 3 HDMI ports. So that is means you can connect with your laptops and you can show the PowerPoint PPT whatever you want. And point number 4, interestingly, it's the sound quality also good. And now coming to the other features, it is having a kind of a Chromecast inbuilt. You can cast your screen to your TV, and at the same time you have that Ethernet port. You can connect with the net port. It has having the Wi-Fi, and also you can connect fiber optical cables, right? So those are the features of this particular TV. And now coming to the negative part of this TV. So really I found that one thing I would like to share, that is a stand. What I mentioned earlier, that a stand quality is not so good. I was thinking like anytime it can break, because I have having a 2050 watt JBL home theater. So if I play this sound, might be it can shake. So just I was thinking, that is point number 1. And point number 2, their PowerPoint port, right? Whatever the AC point they have given, so that is unable to find out where this point is there, because nothing is written there. And second things, that is a little bit kind of a horrible conditions. I mean, it would be not a plug properly. That is the point number 2. And point number 3, they provided the remote but didn't give any battery. So that's not the reason. The main thing is like there is a less of the documentation. As I mentioned, only 2 pages of kind of a manual they have shared, and there is no others books. And point number 4, I can say that packaging of the video could be better than that. So it could be better than of this, but yes, anyways, whatever they have provided with that amount, so this is really awesome stuff. So if you ask me how much you rate yourself, so I'll rate out of 5, it's a 3.2 based on the quality of the picture, sounds, and the other features of the Android. Apart from that, the price. And now the price is close to 31,000 from Amazon. If you want to buy this product, you can check out in our description sections. We have provided the link, so you can click that link and you can buy it. You will get some discount. At the same time, if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the like buttons. That's all in this video. Hope this video will help you to understand the picture qualities and overall unboxing and review of this particular TV. Still, if you have a doubt, please give us let us know any comments or any feedback. Always we are ready to give you response. That's all in this video. Bye bye. We'll see you in next video. Take care.